Okay, we're going to look at one of my folders here. It's a zero tolerance. ZT0566BW at Elmax. Now, I've actually never been very impressed with how sharp this blade is from the factory. I've put a brand new edge on it. Tried to keep the factory edge geometry. I didn't lower the angle at all, but still, I mean, it's as sharp as it can be at this angle, probably about 20 degrees, but it's still not that sharp. It really needs to be stepped down to about 15. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is sharp, but you can definitely notice the difference between 20 degrees and say 18 or even 14 or 15. This is fairly thin packing paper, so it's probably about the same weight as newspaper, or maybe a little heavier, but very similar.